Ki pulit ke Jylla la register da ke FIR, Pyrshah iwe Nongiasaid Ain hadian bakawai ke Nong Tre Ain, kala Kynnoh Jrong Jrong Kti ka hapo ke office tre kam jong u hakiting road. USP uba dang san kriam, uloong makajing ujor lawan haka arpu pratarik unaitung, bala register ya kamuka duma Sadar Police Station, kum ke Sadar PS case number 265, hapo kikindon 74/75 jong ke BNS. Kat kum kejing ujor, kanong ujor kala Kynnoh bu Nongiasaid Ain, ula khot yaka shaka kamera, bala Jrong Kti yaka, hinre kala Pyrshah bat petno, kala Kynnoh ru bahadin ula terwa pisah, bat kintu yaka banwan yakendu biang. Ki pulit kilaong, ba ka jing tok kit kadang yad, bat answer shimi ki sinjam, kat kum ki sakhi, bat jing tip balayok lung.
28th of July 2026, we had received a written complaint from one law intern that one of the, that in the chamber of the advocate located at Kiting Road near Goenka and Chennai Works, that while she was sitting there with her other co-interns and all, that the advocate had called her to his chamber, to his room, and then he had tried to molest her. However, she resisted and pushed him, and then after which she was asked again to come inside the room, where he again tried to molest her apparently, and then she had raised an alarm and had seek help from her friends. However, then further the alleged accused had tried to pay money apparently as per the written complaint to her, and also insisted on meeting him again on Saturday. However, after the incident, the complainant left in a distressed condition and informed of her friends about the happening, and then she had written a written complaint in which it was registered in Sadar PS as Sadar PS case number 265 under 74 and 75 BNS. That's 500.
And so recently,
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka asam bat Meghalaya ka wei ka them arteli ki Jylla ha ka binta jong ka asam dan kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically polluted hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor bala pau perthai ha ka binta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka yapher dena kata ka daw kini artali ki Jylla Mynta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan